Okay, chalo. So first one, guys. Okay, we'll start off with Darshanita. Okay, rest others can also chat onto the chat box and give me the answers. Okay, but first, Darshanita. Yes, we'll start with you, Darshanita. Can you tell me what is the answer for the first one? Identify the correct statement with reference to human digestive system. Ileum opens into small intestine. Serosa is the innermost layer of the alimentary canal. Ileum is highly coiled part. Vermiform appendix arises from the duodenum. Yes, Zui has given me the right answer. Darshanita, yes, Darshanita has also given me the right answer. Dia is also right. Guys, waiting for the others. Quickly, 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 guys. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Tanishka is also right. Very nice, very nice. Okay, yes, all those who are messaging. Good, good, good. Yes. Anyone else? Anyone else? Quickly, guys. What is the right answer? Yes. Okay, so guys, if you look at the third option, C, this ileum, it is highly coiled part. Guys, ileum opens into the small intestine. No, small intestine itself contains the ileum. So ileum actually is a part, the third part of the small intestine. Serosa. Guys, tell me which is the innermost layer. Guys, we said it is the mucus layer. What is that called? Quickly, quickly, quickly. Very nice, Zui. It is the mucosa. Okay, third thing is right. Vermiform appendix arises from the duodenum. Guys, which part is it going to arise from? Quickly. Vermiform appendix. Where does it arise from, guys? Which part? Very nice. It is going to be the cecum. Very nice. Okay, chalo. Next one. Next one, guys. Okay, match. Next one is for Dia. Okay, so Dia, quickly, just tell me. Okay, others also, I want you to attempt this thing. Okay, so Rishik, Ruvi, Vaishnavi, Swaroop, I want you guys to participate, okay? Okay, yes. So, right. Okay, now let's try to do this thing one by one. Okay, Dia. Okay, you have to tell me. Dia, first, crypts of Liverpool. Where are you going to see the crypts of Liverpool? Come on, everyone. Yes. Very nice. Yes, apart from Dia, everybody is answering. Where are we going to see this thing? This is going to be seen in your small intestine. Okay, crypts of Liverpool. Glison's capsule. Guys, we told you Glison's capsule is the covering of something. Yes, very nice. It is going to be the covering of your liver. Okay, so Glison's capsule, it is the covering of liver. Okay, islets of Langerhans. Guys, we cannot go wrong with this thing. So this is islets of Langerhans. And finally, the Brunner's glands, it is going to be your duodenum. Okay, so 3, 4, 1, 2. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Yes, this is the right answer. Okay, chalo, right. Okay, so next one, Zui. Zui has to answer. Which of the following terms describes human dentition? So, yes, very nice. Zui is right. Tanishka is right. Darshanita is right. Yes, what is the right answer, guys? Vaishnavi is right. Okay, okay. So, guys, first of all, are we thecodonts? Yes, we are thecodonts. Are we diphyodonts? Yes, we are diaphyodonts. Are we homodonts or heterodonts? Guys, what are we? We are hetero. Okay, so yes, we have thecodont, diphyodonts, two sets of teeth, heterodonts showing different shapes of your teeth. So, yes, okay, so this is going to be the right answer. Okay, guys, next question. Next question is for Rishik. Rishik, a baby boy aged 2 years is admitted to play school and passes through a dental checkup. The dentist observed that the boy had 20 teeth. Which teeth were absent? Now, guys, this is a very tricky question. I told you, you have to look at the dental formula. According to the new, this thing, version, what is the dental formula? First, Rishik, can you give me the dental formula? 2, 1, 2, 1. Come on, guys. No, no, no. This is, see, this is for a child. This is for a child. He's just 2 years old. Okay, in 2 years old, there's going to be something which is missing. What is the formula? It is 2102 upon 2102. Okay, So I told you guys, some textbook will tell you that it is 2120, 2102. But remember, it is 2102. So guys, if it is 2102 by 2102, okay, 2102 upon 2102. So guys, which teeth are missing out over here? Quickly. Yes, it is going to be, see, this one is your premolars, incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. So guys, answer is your premolars. Okay, keep a look at this, keep an eye on this, this question, guys. Okay, because according to different textbooks, different these things, if the addition is the earlier one, okay, if the addition is earlier one, then it becomes 2120. If it is the newer edition, it becomes 2102. Okay, so guys, keep this thing in mind. Okay, which cells? Okay, our next question goes for Rishik. Rishik, you did not answer Rishik. Rishik, you answer me. Answer this one for me. Which cells of crypts of Liverpool secrete antibacterial lysozyme? Yes, yes, yes. In the this thing, now see, I told you there is always this two things that are there. Okay, according to the new textbook and according to the old textbook. Okay, so there is this a little bit of controversy that is still like going on. Okay, so just keep an eye. That is why I said keep an eye on this thing. Okay, this question. Just keep an eye. Okay, so guys, which cells of the crypts of Liverpool secrete? Yes, 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 yes. Everybody is giving me the right answer. Yes, it is going to be the Paneth cells. And this antibacterial lysozyme, what is this going to break down, guys? This is going to break down the cell walls. Okay, helps in digestion. Okay, next question goes to Ruby. Ruby, which hormones do stimulate the production of pancreatic juice and bicarbonate? So tell me. So we had done 4 enzymes out over there, right? So tell me, who is going to stimulate pancreatic juice and bicarbonate? Very simple. Very nice. Zoe has given me the right answer, waiting for the others. Ruby, come on quickly. See, I'll give you. First, we have gastrin, second, secretin, third, cholecystokinin, and fourth, we have GIP, gastric inhibitory peptide or enterogastrone. Yes, Rishik is also right. What is it, guys? Secretin and cholecystokinin. Both of them, they are going to work. Okay. Next one, sorry. Okay. Next one goes for Tanishka. Tanishka, which of the following guards of the opening of hepatopancreatic duct open into the duodenum? Once again, straightforward question, guys. And once again, if you don't know, still you can get this thing. So we had said there is this common opening, right? So this opening, which is called as sphincter of a day. Very nice, very nice. Everyone, those who have answered, very nice, guys. Okay, pyloric sphincter, where is this, guys? It is going to be in your stomach. Like semilunar valves, we don't have anything to do out over here. Like semilunar valve is in the heart. Okay, ileocecal valve, it is ileum and the cecum. So what remains? Even by the method of elimination, you can still get this thing. Okay, Vaishnavi, next question to you. The primary dentition of in humans differs from the permanent dentition in not having one of the following teeth. Yes. The same question repeats again. So yes, this is going to be premolars. Okay, next question, Swaroop. Swaroop, where do certain symbiotic microorganisms normally occur in the human body? Symbiotic, okay? See, microorganisms are going to be present almost everywhere. Symbiotic. Yes, 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 yes. Zui has given me the right answer. Waiting for the others, guys. Come on, Swaroop. Okay, rest others. See, guys, even if you take a wild guess, it doesn't matter. Kanaka, Hey, where is Kanaka? I had seen Kanaka out over here. Then she suddenly lost, gone somewhere. Oh, 1 minute. Let me just see. Waiting room. No, no, no. She's not there in the waiting room. Guys, Kanaka was here a few moments ago. Uh, did anybody? Yeah, yeah. Darshita, just call her up and see what happened. Maybe she must be having network issues or something. Kindly check, please. Okay, guys, what is the answer? See, answer is cecum. Okay, so yes, Dia was right in this thing. Okay, Zui was right, Rishik was right, Dia is also right. Okay, yeah. Okay, so it is going to be cecum. See, guys, the thing is we need to have a combination of symbiotic microorganisms. Otherwise, microorganisms, they're going to be present everywhere. But the ones which are in the cecum, guys, they are going to help in the breakdown and in production of your vitamins, guys. Okay, so keep this thing in mind. Okay, now next thing for its activity, carboxy peptidase, guys. Peptidase, basically, peptidase is the one we talked about, like the one who's going to break down your proteins, basically, right? It is the same enzyme. Okay, so dipeptidase and all requires what? Zinc, iron, niacin, and copper. Okay, now guys, we haven't really talked about this. Yes, Vaishnavi is right. Vaishnavi is right, guys. Actually, it is going to be zinc. So keep this thing in mind. We have not done this thing in your normal thing. Okay. So zinc is required for it. Okay. Once again, Darshanita, did you see what happened to her? Sachi, Sachi, are you a new kid by any chance? Guys, anybody is aware of Sachi? Sachi, are you a new kid by any chance? Sachi, kindly reply. Guys, does anybody know Sachi? Has anybody seen Sachi? Hello, mic check. Hello, hello. Okay, 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 chalo. Anyways, okay. Next question once again goes to Darshanita. Okay, so Darshanita, one of the constituents of the pancreatic juice which is poured into the duodenum is okay in humans is okay. So in your duodenum, so what is going to be added into the duodenum? Yes, very nice, very nice. Okay, so what is it, guys? Yes, very nice. All those who have given me answer as A is actually right, guys. Okay, because see, when we talk about your duodenum, guys, what is the duodenum going to receive? It is going to receive your ATS, pancreatic juice, ANTS, ants, right? And in that, we have your trypsinogen. Trypsinogen gets converted into trypsin, right? So guys, that trypsinogen is going to be poured. Okay, guys. She said, okay, 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 no problem, Dashinta. All right. Okay, so guys, once again, keep this thing in mind. What you have to see, which opens up into the duodenum, that is the pancreatic duct. So okay, which releases the pancreatic juice. Okay, so keep this thing in mind. Okay, now which one of the following? Okay, next is for Dia. Dia, which one of the following correctly represents normal adult human delta formula? Very simple, everyone. Yes, everybody is right. Yes, it is going to be C. 2123 upon 2123. Okay, chalo. Next question is for Zui. Zui. Okay. Two friends eating together on a dining table. One of them suddenly starts coughing while swallowing some food. This coughing would have been due to improper movement of epiglottis, diaphragm, neck, tongue. What do you think? Very nice. Very nice. Everybody has given me the right answer. It is due to improper movement of epiglottis. Right. Okay. Next one, we have Rishik. Secretin and cholecystokinin are digestive hormones. They are secreted in. Now, quickly tell me, where are they secreted in? Pyloric stomach, duodenum, ileum, esophagus. Where do we see they are going to be acting? Yes. Yes, Tanishka has given me the right answer. Zui is also right. Yes. See, where are they going to be secreted? In the duodenum. Guys, because see, ultimately, what are these going to really act on? Okay, they are going to act on the liver and they are going to act on the pancreas. And in your digestive system, where are the liver and the pancreas actually going to open up? In your duodenum. So that is why the answer will be duodenum. Okay, now I'm seeing a new person out over here, Aditi Kamli. Aditi Kamli, are you a new person?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, chalo. So the next one. Okay, so next one, the next one goes for Rishik. Okay, Rishik, tell me. Duodenum has characteristic Brunner's glands, which secretes two hormones called dash. So just think and tell me. Brunner's gland, what is it going to secrete? Yes, very nice. Zui is right. Vaishnavi is right. Tanishka is right. Yes, Rishik is also right. What is this going to produce? It is going to produce secretin and cholecystokinin.
हाँ तो नहीं नहीं बैठ के सीरियस
Hey, I guess new people are joining in. Just a moment. Let me just mute everyone. One moment. Huh? Suddenly there is. Okay, Divya Savant. Divya Savant has joined in, and we have Ankita Chaudhary. Okay, so guys, are you from the same this the Goregaon East Wakadi's branch that way, or are you from some other batches? Ankita and this one, Ankita and Divya Savant. Aditi Kamli, what about you? Are you from the same East, this thing, Goregaon East one, East Wakadi's? Okay, okay, fine. Okay, chalo, next one. Okay, so next question goes to okay. Akanksha, where were you? You had joined in and then suddenly you once again you like vanished somewhere. Okay. Chalo, next question goes to Ruby. Okay, come on, Ruby. Which part of the body secretes the hormone secretin? Yes. Yes, guys. What will be the answer? Yes, it is going to be yes, duodenum. Everybody is right. Okay, next question goes to Tanishka. Tanishka, Brunner's glands are present in stomach, esophagus, ileum, duodenum. Where do you think? Once again, everybody is right. Very nice, very nice. They are going to be present in the duodenum. Very nice. And guys, keep this question in mind. Okay, recently I have seen this question come in different competitive exams. Okay, they have asked about this Brunner's glands, then they have also asked about your Argentine cells. Okay, keep keep a close eye on this thing. Okay, next question goes for Vaishnavi. The layers of the cell that secrete enamel of the tooth. Once again, very, very important question. Okay, has popped it in the last few years. Yes. Okay, who is this going to be? Very nice, very nice. Everybody has given me the right answer. It is ameloblasts. Okay, odontoblast or odontocytes, guys. These are the cells of the teeth. Okay, but ameloblasts, these are the ones who give rise to the enamel. Okay, chalo. Next one. Okay, which of the following factors are required? Oh no, this is for Divya. Divya Savant. Okay, which of the following factors are required for maturation of erythrocytes? Yes. Can anybody think of this? This is like, from your nutrition part as well. This is in conjunction with that. Very nice. Akanksha is right. Zui is right. Darshanita is right. Yes. Rishik is right. Yes. Everybody is right. What is this? Vitamin B12. Okay, guys, vitamin B12, it is also your cobalamin, also sold as cyanocobalamin. It is responsible for the formation of your RPCs, right? So, yes, right. Okay, next question goes for Swarup. Swarup, invertebrates, lacteals are found in. Very simple. Where are lacteals going to be found? Very nice. Very nice. Akanksha is right. Zui is right. Swarup is right. Divya is right. Tanishka is also right. Yes, it is going to be in your idiom. And always, guys, remember, we have said lacteals of the small intestine. Now, quickly tell me, what are the lacteals going to absorb? Quickly. They have only one job, guys. Yes, lacteals are going to absorb only and only your fats. Okay, chalo. Next one, guys. Okay, okay, chalo. So next question goes to just Swaroop. Okay, chalo. Let's see. Okay, so next question goes to Aditi. Aditi, which one of the following vitamins can be synthesized by the bacteria inside the gut? Very, very important. Once again, really, really important question, guys. But no, no, the mm, mhm, mhm, mhm. Guys, quickly think, 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 think. Guys, think about this thing. Yes. Now, some are saying yes, some of them are right, some of them are wrong. Uh, there are actually two real right answers out over here, guys. One is vitamin K also. They help in vitamin K, but vitamin K is also done by your liver. Okay, and the other right option is vitamin B1 as well. So both of them, they are actually right. Okay, so just keep an eye on this thing. Okay, according to the this thing is like the earlier papers and all, vitamin B1 was the right answer. Okay, this is the actual right answer. They never used to consider this thing, but yes, your bacteria, they help in the synthesis of vitamin K inside the gut as well. So both of them are actually right. Okay, next question, guys, goes to Darshanita. A polysaccharide which is synthesized and stored in the liver. So glucose is converted into, yes, right. Okay, so yes, everybody is right. It is converted into glycogen. Okay, guys, Kupffer cells. Kupffer cells occur in dash. Okay, who's the next one? We have Akanksha. Hey, come on, someone has logged in by masterclass. Who's masterclass, guys, out over here? Masterclass, can you please unmute and tell me who you are? Okay, guys, once again, going back to your Kupffer cells, where are we going to find them? In the liver. Okay, and in the liver, these are going to be your phagocytic cells. Okay, so keep this thing in mind. They are going to eat away all the the germs and all everything that may come up out over there. So these are going to be your Kupffer cells. Okay, always remember they are phagocytic cells. Okay, next question we have. Okay, Akanksha. Akanksha, Brunner's gland occur in. Yes, very nice. Everybody is giving me the right answer. Everybody is right. It is submucosa of the duodenum. Okay, fantastic. Ankita, next question to you. Pancreas produces dash. So tell me, what could be the right answer from here out of this thing? Now, technically, nothing is right, but still, no. Okay. So out of the given options, yes, Zui is right. Rest, I'm waiting for others to answer, guys. No, the rest others are wrong. Guys, see, in this thing, see, what have we said? What is pancreas going to produce? So it is going to be ANTS, right? That is what we have remembered it as. Next thing, okay. What are the hormones that are going to be produced by the pancreas? Glucagon, insulin, somatostatin. So there are actually three hormones, right? So none of the options is right. But then from here, which is going to be the best of the best, closest? So guys, three types of digestive enzymes and two hormones. Okay, because see, here there is one hormone, there is one hormone, here there is no hormone. So all of these three, they are going to be quite way off. So answer is going to be B. Okay. Chalo. Next one goes to Dia Patel. Yes, Dia. Pancreatic juice and hormones of pancreas are produced by. Very simple. Yes, they are going to be. Zui is right. Dia is right. Tanishka is also right. So these are going to be produced by completely different cells altogether. So the pancreatic juice, okay, is going to be produced by your acini. Okay, that is your pancreatic lobules that we said, the flask-shaped cells, if you remember. Whereas when we talk about your this thing, that is your hormones, they are going to be produced by islets of Langerhans. Okay, next question, Zui. Secretin stimulates the production of. Secretin stimulates the production of saliva, gastric juice, bile, and pancreatic juice. So what do you think is the right answer? Yes, right. Very nice. Zui is right. Akanksha is right. Rishik, yes. Divya, Dia, everybody is right. It is going to be pancreatic juice. Very nice. Okay, Walton's duct. Okay, now this is something very, very new. Okay, it is a little on the different side. Okay, Walton's duct is associated with. Okay, but I will have to tell you the answer to this thing. Yes, 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 yes. You have to attend this meeting from whatever batch you may be. You still need to keep on attending. Okay. Okay. Guys, now the Walton's duct actually, when we talk about this thing, these are associated with your salivary glands. Okay, but where, guys, you are going to see them associated with the submaxillary. Okay, that is the submaxillary salivary glands. Okay, so just keep this thing in mind, guys. This is nothing but, it is the duct which is going to open up into your mouth. Okay, so just keep this thing in mind. Okay, so here what I will say is, see, there are different ducts that are present. Okay, Now, the sublingual gland, okay, the sublingual gland, this is going to have the duct of Rivinus. Okay, so just keep this thing in mind. Okay, these are certain names given. Okay, so this is known as the duct of Rivinus. If we talk about your this thing, the parotid gland, then we call this thing as the Stenson's duct. Okay, and Wharton's duct, it is your submaxillary salivary glands. Okay, so just keep this thing in mind. Okay, submaxillary, we can also call this thing as the submandibular. Okay, so there is this a little thing that is there. Okay, so guys, keep these things in your mind, because duct of Rivinus is also asked and Stenson's duct is also asked. Okay, so just keep this thing in mind. Chalo. Next question goes to Rishik. Okay, Rishik, duct leading from the parotid gland and opening. Array, just now I just talked about this thing. Okay, so what is it, guys? It is going to be, yes, it is going to be the Stenson's duct. Okay. Okay, chalo. Next one, guys, we have Ruby. Ruby, lamina propria is connected with acini, liver, Graafian follicle, or intestine. Guys, what is that going to be? Lamina propria. Yes, very nice. Everybody is giving me the right answer. Yes, this is going to be your intestines. Okay, it is the middle layer. Okay, basically. Okay, so that is when we talked about the entire thing, we've talked about the TS of the intestines. So there we have seen it. Okay, chalo. Now let's move on to the next part. Okay, so we have the digestion. Okay, chalo. So next question goes to Tanishka. Okay, so Tanishka, the enzyme enterokinase helps in the conversion of, yes, guys, enterokinase. Okay, we have said enterokinase. Very nice, very nice. Everybody is giving me the right answer. It is going to help in the conversion of your trypsinogen into trypsin. Okay, chalo. Next one we have, okay, Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, identify the cells whose secretion protects the lining of the gastrointestinal tract from various enzymes. So guys, just keep this in mind. It has to be like a protective layer. And that is why we said, this protective layer is going to be changed. Like, it is continuously under the effect of your HCl. And then the entire layer has to be replaced again and again. Absolutely right. How are we going to provide protection, guys? It is by means of your mucus. And who's going to produce mucus? It is going to be goblet cells. Okay, so keep this thing in mind once again. Okay, goblet cells. Okay, next question goes to Swaroop. Oh no, Divya. Okay, so Divya, which of the following gastric cells indirectly help in erythropoiesis? Okay, so you remember we had said one of them produces the intrinsic factor. So guys, think about this. If you remember, yes, who was that, guys? It was your, very nice, everyone. It is your parietal cells. Guys, can you quickly give me like what is the other name for parietal cells, guys? Very nice. Zoe has given me the right answer. The parietal cells, or we also call this, yes, Darshanita is also right. Parietal cells, or these are your oxyntic cells. And guys, what have we said? These are the ones. What are they going to produce? They are going to produce HCl and the intrinsic factor, guys. Okay, this intrinsic factor, this is your Castle intrinsic factor that we call it as. Okay, so just remember that this is Castle intrinsic factor, and this is the one which is responsible for giving rise to your RBCs. Okay, formation of RBCs is called as erythropoiesis. Okay, chalo. Next question. Let's move on to Swaroop. Okay, chalo. Swaru, which of the following options best represents the enzyme composition of pancreatic juice? Okay, so guys, you will have to read this thing. Okay, take your time. I will just give you one hint. Pancreatic juice, guys, how did we remember this thing? We had remembered this as ants. Okay, so just and remember there are other names for this thing. So you need to just check this thing. Yes. Okay. Yes. Zui has given me the right answer. Akanksha has also given me the right answer. So, guys, yes, Tanishka is also right. Quickly, others, if you want, quickly, guys. Okay. So, guys, what is the right answer? The right answer is C. How come? See, when we talked about your stipsin, guys, what was stipsin? Pancreatic lipase. So, see, first lipase. Okay. Trypsin. Okay. Trypsinogen. So, that is already there. Amylase. So we have amylopsin, pancreatic amylase. So that is out over here. And procarboxy peptidases. So these peptidases, once again, they are nothing but they are parts of your this thing only. Like, chymotrypsinogen and trypsinogen, procarboxy peptidases, they are all going to help in the breakdown of your this thing. That is your proteins. So yes, this option fits the best. Okay, now let's try to see if we talk about the intestinal juice. Guys, how did I ask you to remember the intestinal juice? It was remembered as melli, right? So if you look at the first option, amylase, pepsin. Pepsin, where are we going to see it? In your stomach. Is this right or wrong? Pepsin is wrong. And maltase, guys. Maltase is also in your intestinal juice. So this is wrong. Peptidase, amylase, pepsin. So pepsin is wrong. Renin, once again, where are we going to see renin, guys? In your stomach only. So this is also wrong. Then third one is right. And here, see, the fourth one, once again, peptidase is still fine, but then renin is completely wrong. So even if you don't know what may be the right answer by the method of elimination, you can still land up onto your right answer, guys. Okay, so next one, next question goes to Swaroop. Swaroop, in the stomach, gastric acid is secreted by. Yes, yes, everybody is right. Yes, it is going to be your parietal cells. So parietal cells. Can anybody give me the other name for parietal cells? Guys, this is going to come up again and again, again and again. Parietal cells or yes. Okay, so parietal cells or oxyntic cells. Guys, once again, we did it right out over here. I just mentioned. Okay. Yes. Okay. So guys, another one now, peptic cells. Guys, can anybody tell me what is the other name for peptic cells? Quickly. Very nice. Chief cells. Okay, guys, keep this thing in mind. Okay, peptic cells, chief cells, parietal cells, oxyntic cells. Okay, next question goes to Vedant Ravarane. Okay, the enzyme that is not present in succus entericus is. Now, guys, what is succus entericus? This is nothing but your intestinal juice. So this is your intestinal juice. That is nothing but your melly. Now just try to find out who is not going to be present. No, guys, don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry, guys. Just think about this. Which is not present? The answer is that. Okay, Vedanta, no issues. Okay, see, even if you're new, you can just take a random wild guess. What is the answer, guys? The answer is D, nuclease, guys. See, melly, see, in your this thing, in your intestinal juice, we said it is melly, maltase, erepsin, Then we have lactase, lipase, and invertase. So new these basically they are already present. Lipase is present, maltase is present. Nucleosidase, is that present? No. Nuclease, is that present? No. Answer can be both nucleosidase or nuclease. But first we'll go for nuclear. Actually, both the answers are going to be right as such, A and D. Okay, is everybody all right with this thing, guys? Okay. Okay, so both, if you want, you can go with this nucleosidases also. Even this is not going to be present in succus entericus. Okay, next question goes to Yukta. Okay, gastric juice of infants contain gastric juice. And guys, here you are going to see something new coming up. Okay, something new. Just try to see what is going to be present in your this thing. Yes, Zui has given me the right answer. Divya is also right. Akanksha is also right. Okay, see, I told you, we're going to see something new out over here. What? Okay, guys, see, the right answer is A. Pepsinogen, lipase, and renin. But then you'll be like, oh my God, we haven't seen lipase out over here. But yes, this is something new. You also have something called as gastric lipase. We haven't seen this thing, and that is what I told you. You will see something new in this thing. Okay. So just remember this thing, guys. Okay. Pepsin, we have already seen renin is also present. Now let's try to see the other options. Because there was this thing, a little bit of a little bit of controversy with regards to this question. That is why. Okay, so basically, according to the textbooks, okay, they don't talk about this lipase. Okay, so there was there was a petition which was filed regarding this thing, which was saying that no, it should be because some of them they had marked the other one also. I don't exactly remember the controversy, what would happen. Okay, but there was something regarding this thing. Okay, anyways, so pepsinogen, lipase, and renin. This is the right answer. Okay, sure. Next one, guys. Next one goes to Sachi. Sachi, are you there with us? Sachi, are you there with us? Okay, Sachi, let's move on to the next one. Yes. Which of the following statements is not correct? Okay, so we'll have to do this one by one, one by one, one by one. Okay, so let's try to see this thing. Okay, oxyntic cells are present in the mucosa of the stomach and secrete HCl. Is this true? Okay, no problem, Sachi. All right. Okay. Okay. Others, just tell me. Okay. So, guys, is this right? Yes, this answer is right. Okay. This is true. Okay. Let's try to see the next this thing. Acini are present in the pancreas and secrete carboxy peptidase. Is this true? Yes, this is also true. This is also right. Okay, fine. Let's try to see the third one, guys. Okay, Brunner's glands are present in the submucosa of the stomach and secrete pepsinogen. Is this right? No, this is false. This is wrong. And let's try to see the next option also. Goblet cells are present in the mucosa of intestines and secrete mucus. Is this right? Yes, this is also right. So guys, which is the right answer from here? The answer is going to be C, option C. Okay, sure. Next question. Okay, it goes to Darshanita. So Darshanita, yes. Okay, the initial step in the digestion of milk in human is carried out by whom? Very simple. No, 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 no. The first initial step, guys, don't be in a hurry. It is renin. Guys, what have we said? Renin is going to convert your casein into paracasein. Casein was soluble, paracasein was insoluble, right? So this way. Okay, chalo. Okay, next question. Okay, next question is what? Okay, chalo, take care. A healthy person eats the following. This question goes to Darshanita. Okay, now Darshanita is done. Akanksha. Okay, a healthy person eats the following diet: 5 grams of raw sugar, 4 grams of albumin, 10 grams of pure buffalo ghee, adulterated with 2 grams of vegetable ghee, hydrogenated vegetable oil, and 5 grams of lignin. How many calories is he likely to get? Oh my God. Guys, now how are we going to calculate this thing? We are going to calculate this in terms of like the energy that is released. Okay, so once again, when we talked about your calorific value, we said we have two types of values. We have gross calorific value, which is obtained in a bomb calorimeter, and the other one, that is your physiological value, which is going to be obtained under normal conditions, right? So now let's try to see this thing. Now, guys, you have to calculate this thing. Okay, how are you going to calculate? That is the question. Okay, so first thing, guys, we are going to have 5 grams of raw sugar. Okay, so this is your sugar, right? So we have 5 grams of raw sugar. So what is the energy? So guys, what is the energy? Sugar is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is going to give you how many? It is going to give you 4, right? 4 kilocalories per gram. So sugar, say we are going to get 20 kilocalories. Okay, so just keep them. Everything is going to be in your kilocalories only, kilocalories per gram. Okay, chalo. So sugar, from here we are getting this much. Okay, let's say 10 grams of no, sorry, then 4 grams of albumin. Albumin is your protein, right? Albumin is protein. So how much are we going to get from protein? Once again, how many? It is 4 grams. So 4 grams into 1 gram of protein gives you how much? It is once again going to be 4. So that is going to be 16 kilocalories. Okay, then the next thing is 10 gram of pure buffalo ghee adulterated with 12 grams of vegetable ghee. So this is fats. But guys, what is the total fats? It is going to be 10 plus 2, right? 10 plus 2. So 10 plus 2, how much is it going to be? 12. But now, guys, how much is fat going to give you? It is going to give you 9 kilocalories. So if it gives you 9 kilocalories, how much is this thing? Okay, 12 nines are. How much is 12 nines are, guys? It is 108. So it is going to be 108 kilocalories. Okay, and then he also has 5 grams of lignin. But lignin is it going to be digested, guys? Is lignin really going to be digested in your body? No, we cannot digest lignin. So, guys, now what is going to happen? You have to do the maths of this thing and you have to add this thing. And we are not going to consider lignin because this is not digested. Okay, so now 108 plus 20, that is going to be 128, 128 plus 16, that is going to be 138, 138 plus 6, that is going to be 144. So answer is what? 144 kilocalories. Has everybody understood this thing, guys? How we have got this thing and why have we not considered lignin? Instead of lignin, they would have also given you maybe some other, cellulose. Then will you consider cellulose? No. Okay, why? Because we don't have the enzymes to break down cellulose. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. These kinds of questions they are asked, guys. Okay, and that is why you need to be prepared with all these kinds of questions. Okay. So these are like your understanding based questions. I hope everybody has understood, guys. Okay. Okay. Chalo. Next question. Okay. Next question goes to Zui. Zui, which enzymes are likely to act on the baked potatoes eaten by a man starting from the mouth as it moves down the alimentary canal? Okay, so I need to have. 1 minute. Okay, I will do one small thing so that we have all the options on one side. Just a moment. Give me one moment. Okay, so I'm just pasting those things out over here. Okay, so just see what are the options. So now you can get a clear-cut idea. Okay, so pancreatic amylase, salivary amylase, lipase, disaccharides like maltase, lipase, nucleases, salivary amylase, pancreatic amylase, disaccaridases, salivary maltase, carboxy peptidase, trypsinogen. So yes, what do you think? Okay, yes, very nice. Uh, Zui is right. Dia is right. Divya is also right. Yes, Darshanita is right. Akanksha is right. Yes. So, guys, how is it going to act? Okay. So now, see, basically, first we said it is going to be your guys the starch. 1 second. Baked potatoes, just let me just see. Baked potatoes, okay, so see, what are we going to eat? It is going to be your baked potatoes. Okay, so baked potatoes meaning what? It is going to be your starch. So let's just quickly run down and see what is really going to happen to starch. Okay, so first, when we talk about starch, starch is going to be acted upon by your ptyalin. Okay, ptyalin, then you're going to get your maltose. Okay, maltose is going to go into your this thing. Okay, into into your intestines, and this is going to be now acted upon by your maltase. Maltase is going to give you your glucose plus glucose that way. So actually, see, and yes, okay, it is also going to be like your pancreatic amylase also, that is also going to work. Okay, but then this is one path, or it is like if you're talking about the pancreatic amylase, then the pancreas. Okay, so the ATS will, okay, amylopsin will also come into position. Okay, so this way, so this is how it is going to be. So salivary amylase, pancreatic amylase, and disaccharidases, what are they talking about? Now in this, it is going to be your maltase. So here they are just saying disaccharidases is equivalent to maltase. Okay, because it is going to break down the disaccharide to give rise to monosaccharide. Has everybody understood the meaning of disaccharidases out over here, guys? Sure, got this part. Okay, otherwise you will be like, oh, what are these disaccharidases? We never talked about it. But it is nothing but the same maltase or your lactase. Okay, the same thing, guys. Okay, next question we have Rishik. Okay, Rishik, if for some reason our goblet cells are non-functional, okay, this will adversely affect what? Very simple, very simple. You don't have to really think about it. Yes, very nice. Everybody is right. It is going to affect immediately the smooth movement of food down the intestines. Okay. Next question. If for some reason, okay, Ruby, you are going to answer this thing. If for some reason the parietal cells of the gut epithelium become partially non-functional, what is likely to happen? Okay, for some reason, the parietal cells of the gut epithelium become partially non-functional. What is likely to happen? Yes, just you have to just, you just need to link one thing with another. Yes, absolutely right. Okay, almost everybody is giving me the right answer. Almost everybody. Okay, so what is the right answer, guys? Proteins will not be adequately hydrolyzed by pepsin into protease and peptones. But how is that possible? See, how is that possible, guys? See, first, Parietal cells, or what did you say? Parietal cells, or these are going to be your oxyntic cells. What is the job? Their job is to produce your HCl. Now, if HCl is not produced, guys, then will your pepsinogen, will this pepsinogen be converted into pepsin in that case? No, this reaction will not take place. And if this reaction doesn't take place, will pepsin efficiently break down your proteins? No. So that is why, yes, the proteins will not be adequately hydrolyzed by pepsin into proteases and peptides. Okay, now the second thing is, like, some of you, okay, there are a couple of people out over here who have said that the pH of the stomach will fall abruptly. Now, guys, remember what will happen. I'll just tell you. See, this is our pH scale. Okay, what have we said? This is going to be 0, this is going to be 7, and this is going to be 14. This part is acidic, and this part is your alkaline or basic. Okay, now, and 7 is neutral. What did I tell you? Your pH of the stomach, it can go up to pH 2, somewhere out over here, pH 2. Okay, why? Because the HCl is going to be really, really acidic. Now, guys, just look at this. Okay, those who are saying it will fall abruptly. Now, if for some reason the parietal cells of the gut, they are non-functional, then will they produce HCl? No, they will not produce HCl. If they don't produce HCl, guys, what will happen to the pH? The pH will now start shifting towards the right side, right? More towards the neutral side. So is the pH falling down? If the pH is falling down, meaning what? It is moving more towards the zero side. So it is not moving to the zero side, guys. The pH is increasing. It is increasing and moving more towards the neutral side. That is why the second option is wrong. Okay, those who had answered B as the answer, are you guys okay with this? Sure. Okay, chalo. Next question. Okay, so next question goes to Dia. Okay, which of the following pairs of food components in human reaches the stomach totally undigested? Very simple, guys. Very nice. Everybody is giving me the right answer. Everybody. What is it? Yes, it is going to be your fat and cellulose. Guys, because fats, where are we going to break them down first? Inside your this thing. Okay. We are going to break it down into your duodenum. Okay, meaning duodenum or your small intestine there. And cellulose, we don't break it down only. So answer is going to be B. Okay, next question goes to Ruby. Which one of the following is the correct matching of the site of action on the given substrate, the enzyme component, and the end product? Okay, chalo. So guys, just see which is the right answer. Yes, guys. Yes. Now there is a lot of this thing. Okay, so guys, just think quickly, quickly, quickly. Who's going to be the right answer? I haven't received much answers from you guys. What is the right answer? Yes. Okay, so guys, the right answer is D. Starch into your disaccharide maltose. This is going to happen in the small intestine. Okay, how it is? Once again, let's try to see, guys. First, small intestine proteins in the presence of pepsin are going to be converted to amino acid. Is pepsin going to work in your small intestine? No, it works only and only in your stomach. So this is wrong. In the stomach, guys, are fats going to be converted into your muscles? No, this is not going to happen. Okay, in your small intestine. Rather, this is this is going to happen in the small intestine. And plus, when lipase acts on fats, what is it going to give you? It is going to give you fatty acids and glycerol. So once again, this is not really the right answer. Okay, duodenum, guys, triglycerides. Triglycerides in the presence of trypsin, monoglycerides. No, guys, because trypsin basically is going to work on proteins. So this option is also wrong. So what remains is the last option. Okay, next one. Okay, the next question is, okay, this goes for Yukta. Okay, what will happen if the secretion of parietal cells of the gastric glands is blocked with an inhibitor? Yes, very nice. Okay, once again, it is on the same lines as the first one that we did. Very good. Everybody is right. In the absence of HCl, okay, inactive pepsinogen is not converted into active pepsin. Very nice. Okay, sure. Next question is for, okay, Aditi. Hydrolytic enzymes which act on low pH are called proteases, amylases, hydrolases, peroxidases. Okay, which act on low pH. Yes. Now, actually, uh, see, basically, when we talk about this thing, okay, we are going to talk about your proteases. Okay, proteases, because see, in your stomach, we are going to have your pepsin. Pepsin is going to break down your proteins. So that is going to be your protease. Okay, so generally we'll call it that. Okay. Okay, but also remember, proteases is a general term which is used to tell, which is used to talk about, like, protein degrading enzymes. Okay, so just keep that in mind as well. Okay, next question is for Zui. In mammals, milk is digested by the action of, milk is digested by the action of. Very simple. Okay, it is renin. Just a moment, guys. Okay, sure. Let's move ahead. Okay, a person who is eating boiled potato, his food contains the component. Okay, so very simple. Once again, guys, very, very simple. It is going to contain starch, which is digested later on. Okay, chalo. Next thing, okay, if pancreas is removed, the compound which remain undigested will be, if pancreas is removed. Think about this. Think about this, guys. If pancreas is removed, which of them will be undigested? Yes, it will be all of them, because the further reactions, the breakdown the reactions will not occur only in that case. Okay, and anyways, how have we remembered the pancreas? It is ANTS. So it contains everything. Okay, it is going to help in the breakdown of your proteins, fats, your this thing as well, the carbohydrates as well. So yes. Okay, next question, guys. Okay, what is common among amylase, renin, and trypsin? amylase, renin, and trypsin. Very simple. Yes. Some of you have given me a right answer. Some of you are actually wrong. Okay. Now I will tell you what I have got. There are two options which most of you have selected. Okay, one are saying these are proteolytic enzymes, and the second group is saying it is proteins. Guys, the right answer is these are all proteins. Now remember why. See, amylase. Is amylase going to work on your proteins? No, amylase is going to work on starch. So can it be a proteolytic enzyme? No, this is not a proteolytic enzyme. Okay, renin. Okay, renin is going to act on your proteins. Trypsin is going to act on proteins. So yes, I can say that they are going to be your proteolytic enzymes, but not your amylase. So this is wrong. Those who are answering D, wrong. But now, guys, if you remember, we have said like all enzymes are proteins, and because they are proteins, they are denatured on heating. So guys, remember this. So all of them, they are proteins only. Okay, next question. Choose the correct enzyme substrate pair. So yes, guys, very simple, straightforward. Yes, Dia is right, Zui is right. Yes, Darshanita, Divya, right. Tanishka is right. What is it, guys? It is renin. Renin is going to work upon casein. Okay, next question. Which of the following is the function of enterogastron? Okay, guys, so enterogastron, what did we say? Enterogastron, what is this going to do? This is going to inhibit something, right? So enterogastron is nothing but your GIP, gastric inhibitory peptide. So what is it going to do, guys? It is, yes. Okay, it is going to inhibit the secretion of gastric juice. Very nice. Okay, which of the following is correct pairing of site of action and substrate of renin? Very simple, very simple, guys. Where are we going to encounter renin? Once again, in the stomach. So stomach and casein. Very nice. Okay, most of the fat digestion occurs in rectum, stomach, duodenum, small intestine. Where do you see? Very nice. Zui is right. Tanishka is right. Akanksha, Divya, yes, right. Where is it? It is going to happen in your small intestine. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Okay. Secretion of gastric juice is stopped by. Very simple. We spoke of it just now. It is going to be enterogastron or GIP. Okay. Next thing, where is protein digestion accomplished? Accomplished meaning it is completed. So guys, where is it? Without even thinking, you have to just put down the right answer. Yes. Where is it going to occur? In your ileum. Guys, because complete digestion happens in the ileum. And guys, now tell me, when we say after the complete digestion has occurred, the chime that was there, it is going to be converted into what, guys? Yes, very nice. It is going to be converted into chyle. Okay, but now if we talk about the pH, we had said your chime, what is it, acidic or alkaline? It was acidic. Very nice. And chyle is going to be what, guys? Chyle, chyle is alkaline. Yes, very nice. Okay, next thing. Okay, in man, the zymogen or chief cells are mainly found in. So zymogen, chief, or we also call it by one more name. Guys, quickly tell me. We have remembered this as Pepchi. Peptic cells. Very nice. Okay, so now peptic cells or chief cells. Okay, what are or zymogen cells? What are they going to produce, guys? They are going to produce very nice. Okay, guys, yes, almost everybody is going to give me the right answer. So where are we going to find them, guys? Out over here, it is going to be, yes, in the fundus. Okay, in the fundus, that is the major part of your stomach. Yes. Okay, guys, emulsification of fat is carried out by, okay, very simple. Okay, very simple, but you need to be careful. There are two options out over here which seem to be close by. But emulsification is going to be brought about by, guys, who? Yes, it is going to be your bile salts. Very nice. Okay, guys, don't think about bile pigments, okay, at all. Bile pigments are just going to give you color. Emulsification of fats is brought about by bile salts only because they are going to reduce the surface tension of fats and convert them into smaller globules. Okay, release of pancreatic juice is stimulated by pancreatic juice, enterokinase, trypsinogen, secretin, and cholecystokinin. So, guys, what do you think? Who is it going to be? Now, there are actually two things which are right out over here. But what do you think, guys? Yes, what do you think? No, A to no, not at all. A is not the right answer, guys. A is not the right answer. See, remember, yes, Zui is right. Actually, it is going to be C. We have said we have secretin. First, what did secretin do? It is going to help in the release of your pancreatic juice, right? And cholecystokinin, pancreatic enzymes. So both of them, they are actually are the right answer. Okay. So basically, in such a situation, okay, where both of them are right answer, if you mark any of these, then you will be given marks for it, guys. Okay, sure. But now let's try to move ahead. Let's try to see digestion and absorption. Okay, how many things we do we have? Oh, we have still many more to do. Okay. Take it. Okay, so match the items given in column 1 with those in column 2. Okay, fine. So renin. Renin, what is it going to act upon, guys? Be quick. Renin, yes, it is going to be milk proteins. Enterokinase. Enterokinase, guys, enterokinase, trypsinogen. Oxyntic cells, guys, oxyntic cells, it is going to help in, guys, vitamin B12. Now, why vitamin B12? We've said your intrinsic factor and all, guys. So yes, this way. And finally, fructose, it is going to be facilitated transport. Guys, keep this thing in your mind. Okay, so glucose facilitated transport. Keep this thing in mind. Okay, so what is the right answer, guys? Answer is D. Right? Answer is D only, na? Just check. Yes. 3412. 3412. Yes. Okay. Sure. Next thing. Oh, see, I just mentioned it out over here. So the next question is the same thing. Fructose is absorbed into the blood through mucosa cells of the intestine by the process called as facilitated transport. Okay. Now, guys, what is this facilitated transport? Basically, this is the one where you are going to have, like, a carrier molecule kind of a thing. Okay, so a transporting molecule which is going to pick up fructose and it transports fructose from one place to the other. So that is something called as facilitated transport. Okay, select the correct match of the digested products in the humans. Okay, chalo. Glycerol fatty acids with the one minute. एक second. Okay. You have to just select which is the right this thing. Glycerol fatty acids Duodenum move as chylomicrons. Cholesterol, maltose, large intestine, active absorption. Glycine, glucose, small intestine, active absorption. Fructose, sodium, small intestine, passive absorption. Okay, so guys, just think what is the right answer. Th- there is one question. Huh? So why does fructose digestion require facilitated transport? See what happens, so when we talk about your carriers, okay, these carriers, they are generally going to pick up, okay, the fructose molecules. Now what happens is sometimes, the ions or the compounds, they cannot enter into the cell membrane directly. For example, if we talk about glucose can be easily transported in and out, but the same thing is not going to happen with regards to your fructose. So what happens, fructose needs to depend on someone to hold its hand and pull him into the cell. So when that thing happens, then we call it as facilitated transport, because fructose on its own does not have those channels to get into the cell directly that way. Okay, so guys, yes, what do you think? See, you have to see, okay, column one is the product and with their absorption site, okay, and mechanism in column 2. So absorption and mechanism, okay, so what do you think? Yes, guys, can you think? Very nice, very nice. Zui has given me the right answer. I want still others to still try and see if they can get the answer for this. Very nice. Akanksha has also given me the right answer. Guys, if you look at these options properly, then you will see that only glycine glucose, this is the right answer. Where it is going to be absorbed completely, like, or properly, guys, in the small intestine, and this is going to require active absorption. Active absorption meaning what, guys? You will have to pay in terms of ATP to help these molecules get back into your cells. Okay, all right with this thing, guys. Fine. Sure. So once again, guys, we'll stop over here for the day and I will see you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye, everybody. Bye bye. Bye.